Morgan with Colorado Pond Pros, and I am driving up to Evergreen, Colorado to one of our monthly maintenance customers. A couple issues with some of their LED lighting, and they're having a little bit of a algae outbreak. So we're gonna go up there and talk about a couple things, see if we can't get their lights up and going so they can enjoy their feature day and night. So stick with me and we'll resume when we get up there. Alrighty, so we're at our job here up in Evergreen. Got a formal feature here, and we got some interesting things here. So our customer is concerned about the algae in the pond. We kind of have to investigate. As I started looking further into our problem here, I noticed that our string algae is actually dying off pretty well, and it's just accumulating in small segments. It actually looks extremely healthy, but the customer is more concerned with there's actually a lot of sediment buildup all over this rock. And I had asked them, you know, we had a fire recently here in Colorado and extreme winds, and they told me yes, they experienced 80+ mph winds up here. There was wind and all sorts of stuff blowing in and around the property, and I believe that this is the root cause of what's going on here. We're actually going to have to drain this and give this a nice wash and try and suck all this sediment and dirt and debris out of here. Other than that, this system looks extremely healthy. Beautiful, beautiful waterfall. And actually a formal style wetland filter. It's only a couple inches deep here in the gravel, but some of our marginal plants and whatnot actually do pretty good in here. So we're excited to get this planted, looking good. And then we actually have another feature over here. This system looks wonderful. It did excellent through the winter season. What I'm doing is I'm just going to try and get some of our standard equipment installed, like our ion gen that specifically fights our string algae and our water features, and our auto dosing unit. Got our pump shut off. We're gonna come in here and pull out our basket. And we're gonna pull out our filter pad too. Oh yeah, tasty. Customer did say that they found a couple dead fish through the winter that got into the skimmer. Then I'm putting this guy on here. This isn't always the best option because it kind of restricts flow a little bit and doesn't allow things to travel inside of our skimmer. So get that out of there. I'm gonna get a net, get all this kind of debris that's settled in here and get it pulled out. And we'll get our basket clean, our filter clean, get that thrown back in there, get our pump turned back on. It is the start of spring, so we're gonna convert out of our cold water bacteria and start our new summer dry bacteria concentrate. Have a nice cocktail to start these things off for the season. We found that it gives us the very, very best success. We're also gonna get the heater pulled on out of here. So we're using our cold water beneficial bacteria. We're at the end of our season, so we used up all of our 1-gallon jugs, so I'm off to the easy spouter. Got it all topped off into the rest of the feature, and now we're off to clean our Oh yeah, you get clean over there too. Yeah, there you go. Squeaky clean. So we got our freshly cleaned basket and filter pad back in there, getting everything rocking and rolling. Our customer's ready to rock. Alrighty, so pretty successful visit. We addressed our customers' concern. All their algae and everything is well under control. Gonna have to do a little bit of a clean out this spring to get all this sedimentation out of the upper pond. But other than that, our system is looking healthy and ready for the season. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our video today. Please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you on the next one.